What's going on, everyone? Happy Monday. So hope you guys all enjoyed your long holiday weekend. Price action on the Nasdaq today opened up a little bit choppy. So I'm on timeout yet again. Now, not because I didn't make any money today, but I took way too many trades. So I took 13 total trades. I went down very, very early in the morning. I was down $600 at one point in time on my Apex funded account, and I had to kind of battle back. Now, I didn't start to battle back until we realistically got through that initial balance. Now, that first hour of trade was, that first hour range of trading was very, very brutal. So we can see here on the screen, you know, we open up below the 20-period moving average, kind of go down, then we push back up to the high side. This is kind of where I got trapped out immediately. You know, again, early anticipation of trying to break these pre-market highs. That's completely my fault. It's going to happen. Then we flush back down, we put in a low, and then we come up to the top of the range. And once we broke this high for the second time, yet again, I got stopped out once more. Now, should have been waiting for the confirmation here, but I was trying to catch quick momentum. At this point in time, when I was down $600, I told myself, okay, I need to wait. I need to have a little bit more patience right now. I need to see the market kind of digest a little bit. And again, this has happened. It happened a couple of weeks ago too, where I put myself on timeout. No trades for me the rest of this week within the first 30 minutes. Absolutely, hands down. And ultimately, I'd like to see trades after the first hour, because if we kind of look at what happened after the first hour, we got a beautiful short setup, 20 SMA play here on the 2-minute time frame that confirms for an easy 5 points here. Then we had a back-to-back setup on the long was a winner here. The short was a winner. And I could just go on and on and on and on and on. So when I went down early, I really had to kind of set a hard daily personal loss limit based on my account size here and stick to it. So as long as I was able to kind of scratch and claw my way back and try to get back to scratch, then it's like the day's restarting all over again, right? So when you see we had another setup here at 946 that confirmed, got another 5 points there, actually pushed up very, very good on that particular move, almost into that initial balance high, and then set up a short setup that never confirmed, a long setup, so forth and so forth. But again, the last trade that I just took right now was this last one. So you can see here at 11:50 in the morning Pacific Standard Time, we confirm and we got that easy 5 points there on that run up. So I just got out of this trade here as I was making this video. And again, you know, you have to kind of analyze what's going on in the market. Today is an extremely choppy day. It's very hard to make money. Again, if you do make some cash and you manage to kind of, you know, put together a little bit of a day for yourself, just chop it up, right? Like just chop it up and go do something else, because there's always going to be a better price action day. Now, I'd be singing a completely different tune if I never took any trades that first hour, and then all the trades that I took were just the winners, right? But again, that's trading, and you're never going to come into a day, or you're never going to have every day be the same, right? I've come into the day sometimes, and the first 2-3 trades are all winners, and it gives your confidence a big boost, and you're able to just kind of stop trading on the day. I've come into days where I can't get nothing going off the open, and then I'm scratching and clawing my way out of it later on when price action slows a little bit down and the ranges start to contract, and then we can see the moves a little bit more clear. That's summer trading, guys. So what I'm learning here in summer trading, and what I've known about summer trading, is I'm doing things right as far as taking scalps versus kind of looking for all-day moves. That's good. I'm following that process by taking these smaller scalps. What I need to get a little bit better on is just trying to not rush so much out of the gates, okay? And I think we all, you know, get caught up in that from time to time, is trying to rush, right? We're excited that the market's back open again. We want to catch something very, very quickly, and then we put ourselves in a hole, and then, you know, we're forced to pull all these tools out of our belt just to try to build back to scratch. With that being said, all in all, you know, Nasdaq, we're floating around at flat today. Plus 26 points currently where we stand. We've got about an hour left of trade here. I don't expect nothing much to happen. Again, if we get a little bit of a push up here, we're kind of trading at initial balance highs. Maybe you get a push back up into the 50% extension that's sitting up here at 20,670, or you get a pullback into 20,625, or, you know, somewhere close to 20,600. But all in all, great pause day today for the market. Sometimes it's needed. Sometimes you need to see those pauses and let the market kind of digest, right? So someone was asking me earlier today, you know, what was the reason for the chop? What's the reason for the indecisiveness? And if you kind of just look at what happened, and I'll scroll through here so you guys can see. But if you kind of look at what happened here on Friday, you know, we had a big move, right? We had a big move here coming on Friday. We've broken into this top channel. We're, you know, as of now, 1, 2, 3, and 4 consecutive days higher, looking to close higher here. So again, you know, anytime you get those 2, 3, 4 day run-ups, you can always expect a little bit of a pullback. You can expect some consolidation and some chop and this, that, and the other. Again, our support levels would be sitting down here at the 10-day moving average and 5-day moving average, anywhere between 20,387 and 20,125. Those would be firm levels of support on the daily time frame. So keep those in mind if we do decide to pull back a little bit this week. But again, all in all, the bulls are in full control of this chart. And again, the same narrative kind of stands. You need to be kind of looking for those pullbacks into bigger level supports and trying to find a better opportunity to bounce long until something changes, until price action closes below the daily 20-day moving average. I would say more of your moves are probably going to be to the long side. So just try to stick to that bias as hard as it is, especially at all-time highs. But again, that's what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all next time.